They are singing to please the rain gods. Students of the Prince Ashokraje Gaekwad School in Vadodara are gathered around the temple in their campus, reciting the Rag Malhar. The rag believed to bring good rains.
इस साल किसान बहुत परेशान हैं क्योंकि बारिश नहीं आ रही है, इसलिए हमने प्रयत्न किया कि बारिश गिरे और हम आशा रखते हैं कि बारिश अब गिरेगी। सच्चे मन से अगर हमने गाया होगा तो जरूर बारिश आएगी।
Rag Malhar has a cherished history as a monsoon raga. It was a favorite of the legendary musician Tansen. Music teachers at the school say the raga is known to create conditions favorable for rain.
God loves music, and if it is sung by children below age of 15, they are too innocent, and if they sing music, so today we prayed to Lord Indradev and we requested him, why don't you just shower your blessings to us?
Will the rain gods hear their prayers? These children wait for the sky to darken. With Yagnesh Patel in Vadodara, in New Delhi, this is Divya Goja.